Good morning students. Today we will find the question answers on the physical map of India. So observe the physical map of India and answer the question based on it. On your textbook page number 4 there is a Indian physical map. So observe that and write the answer. So we will find the answer first. Which mountain ranges lie in the north of India? Which mountain ranges lie in the north of India? So see here, page number 4, there is a India physical map. They ask the question, which mountain ranges lie in the north of India? So north side. This is the north side of India. So in this north side there are the Hindu Kush mountain and Himalaya mountain ranges lie in the north of India. This is the north side. North, south, east and west. So in this north side Hindu Kush mountain and Himalaya mountain ranges lie in the north India. Second question is there, which are the routes to India from the northwest? By mistake they wrote here east, but question is northwest. Which are the routes to India from the northwest? So see here, northwest side is this. So Khyber Pass and Bolan Pass are the route to India from the northwest. Khyber Pass and Bolan Pass are the two routes to India from the northwest. Third question is, where do the Ganga and Brahmaputra meet? At first we will find a Ganga and Brahmaputra river. See, this is a Ganga river and this is a Brahmaputra river. So they both meet in the where Bangladesh. See here, these both rivers meets in which place? In Bangladesh. So Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers meets in Bangladesh. Fourth question is, name the island to the east of the Indian peninsula. So east side is this eastern side. So Andaman and Nicobar Island are the east of the Indian peninsula. Which island? Andaman and Nicobar. These are the island east of the Indian peninsula. Fifth question is, in which part of India do we see the Thar desert? In which part of India do we see the Thar desert? So see here, we can see the Thar desert. See, this is the Thar desert. We see the Thar desert in Rajasthan, Haryana and Gujarat. This Thar desert we can see in Rajasthan, Haryana and Gujarat.